Well, finally, we've got a new pinball machine coming. I saw it last March in Texas at the Texas Pinball Festival. And we were lucky to get the machine when we ordered it. So anyway, so it took almost a year, but it's finally here. Let's get it unboxed and I'll show you what we got. Okay, so I got the machine unpacked. Everything looks great. Glass looks good. Undamaged. Big speaker on the bottom. So guys, here is the box. It's pretty cool these people have put so much time and effort into making pinball machines. Evil Dead 866. Sorry for the sun. And these are where the legs are. Wait, some purchase material. Extra stickers. Power cord and legs. So let's get it going. Really cool blue powder coating for the legs. Okay, I got the legs installed. And then I'll put the front legs on the ground and continue. This game comes with a topper. And a lot of pinball guys will be mad that I did not order the mechanical topper, because when you come into my house, I've got this HVAC system that hangs down low, and you can see there is no room for toppers on my games. So, okay, got it all in 4 legs. This is the first game I set up by myself. I watched that video with Bugs from Spooky Pinball on the Evil Dead, and he had it set up by himself. This is pretty much what I did, the same thing. I just followed him. Next, we'll have it in the house. Okay, here we are. Almost at the final stage of our setup. I got the topper off. I left the lights on top, so hopefully that'll be a cool display when it actually powers up. So we got to get all the foam and everything out, and then we'll be ready to power on the machine. Got the game in the lineup here. So we've got the Multicade, Evil Dead, the Funhouse Midnight, Elvira. That's my last Stern game for a while at least. I don't know, Spooky's kind of killing it. Some other manufacturers are too. And then this is the remake from the Chicago Gaming Company. So let's go ahead and start up the new game. Okay, I always get nervous starting up a new game. So let me get this switch on. Here we go, did power up as you can see. loading up right now. It's pretty cute. Sound effects loaded. Let's use all the RAM. Will likely be eaten by a brew. This is the very first start for the game, so it's just going to take a while for it to load up.
Why have you disturbed our sleep, awakened us from our ancient slumber?
Pretty cool. And I got one of the last games because I got 866, and I believe they only made 888 of the games. So it's kind of cool when you get one of the last games because they've worked out the kinks for sure by the time they've gotten to the last batch. So even with the topper off, I still got the LED lights on the top, which is cool. Because the topper obviously, I only got a few inches of room up there. Let's look at the game. Sorry, it's really hard to see in this room. It's the basement. And then you have to take off right there. I took off the foam for Linda, the play field, and then the hand over here. I took off the foam over there. It looks beautiful. Anyway, I'll do gameplay later. I'm tired. So the cool thing about this wide body is that it matches the head. So it doesn't have a huge overlap compared to like other games, like the Funhouse. You can see how much wider it is on the head, but it's a narrow body. So this one, I could get it into the house and it's set up like a normal pinball machine. It's just wide.